Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text into lowercase quickly in Google Sheets. And here I've already have a list of names in uppercase and I want to change it into lowercase, and I'm going to show you the easiest way. So instead of you write it one by one like this, I'm going to show you the formula or the functions to make it lowercase. So what you guys can do is just click or type in the equation and then click on lower and then choose the text. So in this case, I'm going to choose here this text and then close it and then click on enter. And here I'm going to just click on the check icon to accept the suggestion from the Google Sheet to make it all the rest of the data into lowercase. Okay guys, so in a minute the data or the text has been changed into lowercase. So that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you feel that the video is helpful, please don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye.